Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to copy a page link on Facebook using your Android device. This updated method is quick and easy, perfect for sharing your favorite pages with friends or promoting your own. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. First, launch the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all your pages. Step 2. Navigate to the page. Next, go to the Facebook page you want to copy the link for. You can find it by searching for the page or browsing through your likes. Step 3. Tap the 3 dots. Once you're on the page, look for the 3 horizontal dots located in the top right corner. This will open a menu with various options. Step 4. Select Share. From the menu that appears, tap on the Share option. This will give you different sharing choices for the page. Step 5. Tap on Copy Link. Finally, tap on Copy Link. This action will copy the page's URL to your clipboard, allowing you to share it anywhere you want. And that's it. You've successfully copied the page link on Facebook. Whether you're sharing it in a message, on another social media platform, or in an email, this simple process makes it easy to connect others with the content you love. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.